Hello everyone and welcome to Mapping Around. Today in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a thematic Chloropleth map, and I'll be using a world political map for this. And let's just go ahead. And first thing you need to do is you need to have a shape file and you need to download this from somewhere. So I have downloaded this from Diva GIS, so I'll leave the link of this site in the description. So when you reach this site, you'll find this there is this country level data. So if you want, you can download the country level data, or you can also download each and individual countries. There are also other options which you can consider. So I have already downloaded this country level data, and this is it will be in this format. It will be a compressed folder. So you will have to extract the files. You will right click on the folder and extract files. Here I'll extract it here, or to whichever folder you want, you can extract this. This is a set of 5 files. You will find the shape file is there. This is the shape file .shp file, and then there are also related files. So all these files need to be in the same folder. Don't move these files to any other place or extract any just one file. That will be a mistake, because these are all the related data of this shape file. So you just need to leave the folder as it is. So we'll go ahead in QGIS and we will import the data. For importing the data, there are several options. You can also drag and drop. Many times you can just go and drag the file and drop it, but you may face, if you will drag and drop it, you may face some problem later on in the projection. So I suggest you don't do this. Instead, you go here to this option, open data source manager. Click on this. Here you will find your file. Your .shp file is showing here already. See, it's .shp. So this is the file you are looking for, and I will go ahead and double click on this and it will show here. So I have already you can see there is already one duplicate file with the same name. I will be using this file instead of the one which we have imported just now. The reason I'll just show you, if you will check the attribute table, you will find that only object and country name is here. But if you will see here, I have added more data to this file. How to join more data, how to add more data, if you want to know that, there is one video I have made on how to merge CSV data to the attribute table. I'll leave the link of the same in the description. You can check that out here. So yeah, so I'll be using this file. So I'll just go and delete this. Okay, so I want to also, one more thing is that you will see when you have imported or added data to a shape file, you need to refract it. So refraction is there because usually this data is added in the string format, whereas you want to add this data into the integer format. So if I want to make a Chloropleth map out of this, I'll go to the properties option. Let me just show you. Just right click on this and below you click on properties. When you will go to the properties option, you will find here for say I want to make a graduated symbol map. When I'll select this, now see, there is no field showing here. This is because all this data is in the string format. So I have made a video on how to refract the data. So I'll go ahead and open the refracted file. So here you will see it's the same file, same world map, and here I want to make a graduated map. Now here I have to select the values. Now here you will see all the values are showing in which were present in my attribute table. So here I have FDI, I have GDP, I have agricultural percentage of GDP, industry and services. So I want to make a map with FDI percentage of GDP. I'll select this and then I have to select the symbol. So what type of color I want to add? Maybe let's say I want to make it in a so blue is already used. I'll make a red color map. So I'll select red. Now color ramp, I think this ramp is okay. I can further go ahead and select how much white I want to keep and I don't want to keep. I can do that also. So yes, now uh, another thing I want to do is the mode. So what type of interval I want to keep? It can be an equal interval. Here maybe I want to use a natural break interval. So here the values are starting from minus, and this is the highest value you can see. So here you can see I have all my values graduated. I can divide, increase the number of classes I want. If I want 4 class, or I want, maybe I want 7 classes, so accordingly I can uh, reduce my or increase my classes. Let's just classify it first and then click apply. Once I apply, okay. Now let's see if the map is there. Yes, so this is our map. This is the map which we have made, and this was the map that was there. So you can see these blue symbols are the places where there is no data available. So Russia data, we don't have the percent of GDP, we don't have the FDI, and we don't have of the polar region. So yeah, so these are the places where we have the data where data is not available. So we can go ahead and click this off, but maybe I want to show these places in white. So what I can do is I can edit this map also, and this will be a bottom layer, and I can select maybe white color for this, and I'll click apply. Okay, so see here, the only the boundaries are showing. So the places with white color don't have any data available. Maybe now the lowest value, that was the -20 value, is also almost white. So let's just go ahead and edit that also, so that there's no confusion. Okay, so let's just go ahead and edit this color amp option so that whites are less defined. So we'll click on this color ramp, and we'll make the first color towards the pinker side. So now it starts from pink, so no whites are there. So let's just apply this and click OK. So yeah, I'll have to work on this more, and but you can see now white is clearly separated from. Let's just keep the color one to. So now you can see it's better now. So the lowest value is towards the pinker side and light pink, and the highest value is more red. So, and the white values are the region where there is no data available. So this is it. This is how you make a Chloropleth map. And in another video I'll show you how to publish and add index and legends, and how to publish this map into a PDF or whatever format you want. So stay tuned. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.